channel Artistic YK, and I am Yukta. I am here with another recipe today. So today we are going to make a 6-minute mug cake. I hope you guys will love it. I know you guys love the previous video. Thank you for showing so much support and love for me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubts or comments for me, so please comment down below, and let's get on to the recipe. That was it, a 6-minute mug cake. It's the quickest dessert ever. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any doubts or suggestions for me, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button because I post a recipe every week. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video. Bye.